Rebounding, Mr. Panaldo. The number 12, Panaldo. Gitina.
Oh! Gaita! Gaita! Yan! Medyo pa kayo mamaya.
Touchball.
Bingo, hands up!
Tinira. Hindi pumasok.
Hawak!
Nakuha ni Panaldo.
Diskarte!
Tinira. Goal.
Bingo, ha? 1 point, namatay 1 point.
Master, seriling kayo, parang kanina lang, oh. Parang kanina lang.
Yan!
Hindi ka garibon.
Hawak!
Oh, Panaldo.
Hawak!
Tinira ka naman. Nawala din na.
Out muna!
Bakit bumadali?
Time out. Huwag kayo magmadali. Oh, nice! Kibo!
Meron.
Oh, trapin! Time out!
Violation.
3 points. Oh, diskarte!
Yes, I am.
Mr. Brunel. Tumusok ito.
Can I get one?
Pasa!
Green ball. Guys, sabi ng boss. Green ball.
Sabi na. Hoy! What's the play? That's good!
Number 2.
Kailangan nireklamo natin yung referee. Dapat tumawag.
Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Substitution.
Good, pasa.
Substitution. Make it 7 minutes good.
Sunod, dalawa. Jimboy Joshua lang, Jimboy Joshua. Si Jimboy, yan.
Oh, bantay!
Bantay lang, wala.
Yes, Alan.
Oh, green boy!
Last 4 minutes and 50. Fight.
Hindi pumasok.
Bye, si Joshua.
Taas kamay!
Wala.
Bola, boy! Nice! Oh! Ay, time out kami, time out pag ano, may chance, time out. Wala, yan!
Huli. Bye, hintay.
Oh, hawak!
Easy lang, hawak.
Tigos!
Tira.
Okay, green ball! Green ball! Green ball! Green ball!
Number defender. Yes. Kalma lang kayo dyan. Kalma lang kayo kasi last 4 minutes. Last 4.
Ay, time out kayo maya. Pag maya. Ilang time out pa namin? Dalawa? Isa na lang? Wag muna, wag muna.
Joshua lang, si Joshua tsaka si Kimboy. Bye, Kimbay.
Ay, green ball! Green ball!
Substitution.
Pasok ka, pre.
Green ball. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Last 3 minutes. Last 3. It's a foul, number 6. Mr. Humble foul.
Pre, Gerald, ikaw magdala. Ikaw magdala ng bola.
3 minutes
Ikot,
and
ikot, ikot.
23.
Relax lang. Kailangan eh. Kailangan ikot bola. Nice. Pre, wag kayong magmadali ha.
Wala. Hindi pumasok ang first row. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, relax lang! Wag, relax! Oy, back up! Walang back up! Oy! Nice! Nice, foul!
It's a foul on Mr. Valiente.
Ilang foul na yun?
Number 2.
Penalty? Wala pa.
First personal foul. Substitution. Pumasok na yung idol ko. Ang isa niya, pakasal.
Take your time! Wala eh! Take your time!
Enjoy na lang tayo. Magmayat ang ulo.
Nice! Hold! Hawak! Hawak na! Okay, green ball! Green ball!
Last 1 minute and 39 seconds.
Okay, foul!
Let's go.
Nauna yung kilos sa bola eh.
Relax lang kayo. Ikot!
Free throws.
Ikot!
Number 2 free throws. 5 seconds. 5 seconds violation. Bola ng
Oh!
breaking.
Depensa!
Mr. Valentina, 4 fouls ka na. 4 fouls ka na.
Depensa! Nice! Hands up! Nice!
Your protection is possible. Last 1 minute.
Hintay nakapwesto.
Foul! Ilang foul na yun?
Andre, number 6. Second personal foul.
Pre, hawak! Okay, foul!
Foul number 2. 5 fouls ng number 2. 5 fouls. 5 fouls ka na.
Graduate!
Penalty. Last penalty. Please listen.
5 fouls!
5 fouls. Penalty situation.
Penalty.
Free throw and free throw. Last 1 minute and 14.
Relax lang.
5 10.
Isa na lang
minute and 14 seconds remaining time. Second throw. Good throw, good.
Pwede ba magsabot? Basta kasi pag dead ball. Punta na rin ito.
This Canada has the ball.
Tama. Ay, Jacob!
There's a foul on the 15. Substitution. Out number 12. 1 minute and 5 seconds. This score is Canada.
Nice, nice! Depensa! Oh, rebound! Yes, rebound! Rebound!
Last 51 seconds.
Hold the ball! Hawak! Hawak!
One big ball. Oh, time out, and rating. Time out, rating.
They got no time out there.
Come down, guys, come down. Let's enjoy the game. Have fun. It's a foul. Number 15.
Leo,
Foul.
hindi naman running time, oh. Isa pa.
40 seconds.
Nice! Nice, Tito! Oh, defense! Nice! Hawak!
There's a foul. Good basket. Time out, rating. Good basket. Congratulations, guys. Well done, well done.